Yes, indeed. It's the gathering of all the beauty icons all over here in our very own town, Naik, Cavite, battling for one crown, one title. And as the pageant begins, there's a simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? And behind that question is the question of a true beauty. Let us all witness the metamorphosis of struggling caterpillar transformed into the glowing, beautiful, gorgeous butterfly. Good evening. With a glamorous and spectacular evening to everybody. A girl who was naked into your eyes is refreshed and indeed innocent 21 years old is the girl who truly also will last from the fascinating, majestic way. Beautiful places from our very own town where you can find the two-headed carabaos. Yes, I came from Nuestra Adorada, Immaculada Concepcion, Municipality of Naik, Province of Cavite. And my real name is Zay Luis Katigan. But tonight, please do allow me to sit by the name of your one and only, ang babaeng minsan na lumunok ng bato na galing kay Dean. Yes po, ako nga po ang nag-iisa at tunay na kawangis ni Miss Angel Locsin. Miss Angel Locsin na nagsasabi po ng mga kasabiang hindi bastos, hindi rin po nakakatawa, ngunit isa lamang po katotohanan na ang taong nagpapakataas ay siyang ibinababa at ang taong nagpapakababa ay siyang itinataas because we are born to be true, never ever to be perfect. Once again, I am your candidate number 7, Miss Angel Locsin, saying that I love you all. Thank you so much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 7. Our candidate number 7.
Now this might be a mistake. We're going in so many ways, but I just like to never slowly. Ooh, maybe I'm just a fool. I still belong
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your candidate number 7.